Heyaa Treebuds, welcome back to my channel. My name is Teresa and today I'm going to show you 4 of my favorite type of contact lenses that are my absolute favorite that I've been dying to have the full collection of for a very long time, and I finally do. They are realistic, they are beautiful, and there's 4 different colors. There are 2 different brands that I purchased from and I will be telling you exactly where. So stay tuned, I'm super excited. I have the full collection now. So yeah. So we have hazel, brown, green, and blue. This is very, very important. This is all going to be depending on your comfort, if you like this or not. This is basically what I tell people. I would rather not be able to see as well than contact lenses that look super fake. As you can see from the one on the left, the contact lens is not as realistic as the one on the right. One on the right, you can see a slight difference, but the pupil is so tiny. So therefore, you're not gonna see any of your natural eye color peeking through. I don't know which one I wanna start off with. I have not tried the hazel ones on my eyes yet. They're so pretty. They're like an orangish brown. What you want to do is make sure that your contact lens comes to a bowl shape like this. If your contact lens comes to a bowl shape and it has a curve like this, where my fingers are, then that is going to hurt your eyes. What is happening is if you put your contact lens in like this, these little parts right here that are poking up, kind of, they're gonna be poking your eyelid and you will definitely feel a difference. They're uncomfortable when you put them in that way. So just make sure that you know which way that your contact lens goes in before you put them in your eye. The other step is make sure that your fingers are nice and clean. You wanna make sure that you have no bacteria. You wanna make sure that your fingernails are clean. Wash your hands before you put anything in your eyes. I'm gonna show you how to get these contact lenses in, even with lashes and all this type of stuff on my eyes. So there are several different kinds of contact lenses that you will need. You will need contact lenses. I meant several different eye drops that you'll need. You're gonna need a cleansing solution for your contact lenses. So this is gonna make sure your lenses stay hydrated when you're not using them and they're in the container, and also to keep them nice and clean. If your eyes get red, itchy, dry, mine tend to get super dry and itchy. So I like to get this kind, and it's by Clear Eyes Advanced Dry and Itchy. But then also, if my lenses get super dry in my eye, what I like to also use is contact lens re-wetting drops. You can find this at Walmart, probably at Target too, but this is the Walmart brand. This is amazing. Seriously, I've had this for I think I've had this for a year, so. Oh wow, this literally expired last month, so I'm not gonna be using this. I like to just like scoop them up with my finger, and I'm going to place it in the middle, right in the middle of my index finger. And you wanna make sure it's like at a bowl shape. You don't wanna have it laying flat. I hope you guys can see pretty well, but I have it to like a bowl shape like this. Lift up one eye, and I always look up because the pupil is so sensitive. You do not want your pupil to be irritated. Wow. Oh my goodness. These look so good with the red eyes, like the red lashes. I look like a demon. Like, you don't want it laying flat like that. Oh yeah, it's supposed to go this way. I had it the wrong way. So these ones are more translucent on both sides, so you can't really tell which side is which. Look up and around and suction it. Do it until you feel suction. And oh my goodness, do you guys see that? Do you guys see the difference? Wow. You guys have to let me know which one's your favorite down in the comments. They're white on the and the inside. So these are so easy to tell whether they are on the right way or not. Oh, that one was so easy. This just looks so nice on my skin tone. Oh my god. Okay, these are my absolute Two favorites. These are all my favorite. Guys, do you go? Shut up. You see this? You see, obviously you see, I hope you see. Would I go driving in these? No, because it's so blurry. It kind of like messes up your vision a bit on the sides. Everything's a little bit blurry, but they are so worth it. They're great for special effects. I look like a doll in these ones. I feel like oh my god, they all make me look like a doll. What am I? So I am pretty much done with this video. So I am gonna go get some freaking breakfast. I am pregnant and I am so hungry, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you all so much. Bye. Obsessed with you. I'm so obsessed with you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.